Hello and welcome back to the channel. Got a fun little product review for you today for anyone that's traveling and doesn't want to check any luggage. I'm going to show you how you can fit a week's worth of clothes and then some very easily in a suitcase like this to carry on. So in this bag here are the Veccan travel cubes. We purchased these about 3 or 4 years ago out of necessity because we were doing an international flight over to England, and we found cheap airfare, but we didn't want to check any luggage. So we were going for about a week, and it was a road trip. So once we got there, space wasn't really an issue, but we just wanted to fit everything we could in a carry-on suitcase like this and a backpack. So I'll show you the cubes, and I'll show you how everything fits in them. So we will start from smallest to largest. Smallest is your underwear, undergarment, sock bag. So in here, so you can see it open. It can expand easily and can fit plenty of underwear, socks, or anything you need. Next up is kind of like their medium-sized bag, it's called. And this I usually use for shirts, maybe some shorts if it's summer where I'm going, or maybe even some pants if I have extra room. Next is their large cube. And in this, you could fit, more shirts, maybe some fleeces if you need, maybe like a light winter jacket. Pants would fit in here obviously. You could fit like 3 or 4, maybe even 5 pairs of pants. And lastly is the big one, the extra large cube. It's a big one. So in this you could definitely fit jackets, pants, anything that you need from that. And then 2 more things they have is there's a shoe garment bag and a pair of shoes, and I think even a pair of sandals would fit in this bag. And then lastly is a nice little laundry bag. So this was nice on the road trip because once we use clothes, we just throw them in the laundry bag, and then packing afterwards was super simple. We just threw everything in the laundry bag, and that's how we packed for that time. All right, I'm gonna get all that big pile of clothes I got. I'm gonna get them in the cubes, and I'm gonna go through each cube and show you what fits in them. I got my suitcase here. I got my clothes in each compartment, as I had talked about. And I'll go through each one and show you how they fit into the suitcase. All right, here is the largest bag. Now in here, I have a pair of jeans, 2 pairs of pants, and then a sweatshirt. So any sort of combo, you could definitely fit like a second pair of jeans, or even maybe a second sweatshirt or whatnot, but that clearly fits. That takes up the most space. Next will be some t-shirts. There's 2 of these kind of t-shirt sized cubes, I'll call them. And in this one, I have 2 t-shirts and actually another pair of pants because I had plenty of room. And one of those t-shirts is actually a long sleeve shirt. And then this is a little bit smaller. This is the other t-shirt cube. And there, as you can see, there's 5 t-shirts. These are all short sleeve, but there's still space in there that you could put a couple of long sleeves in there. And I bet you could even get 6 or maybe even 7 t-shirts in this actual cube itself. Next, here's my underwear and socks. No need to really unzip that. Everyone knows what underwear and socks look like. You could probably fit like a few more pairs of underwear, maybe some more socks in here if you really needed. But like I said, I have 7 pairs of socks and 7 pairs of underwear in here. So this slides on the side here. And last but not least, I do have a pair of shoes. And if you are really strapped for space, you can actually fit plenty of stuff. You could maybe fit some sandals in here, or 2 pairs of sandals, and like maybe wear the shoes on the plane, put socks in the shoes, all those, normal travel tips that people would do. And those fit in here as well. So, and then the last bag is just this. And this is your laundry bag. Just fold that up, fold our suitcase up, and we still got room to put, we could put, stuff in these compartments, like a jacket on top if we need, like another fleece or something, but you can close it up. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching this one. If you do want to purchase these cubes, I would, again, highly recommend them. I'll put a link down in the description below. If you have any questions about packing cubes, I would try to answer them. Should be pretty straightforward, but thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.